What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's the 31st of July. Appreciate all of the subscribers, all of the new subscribers. Thank you to all of you guys and gals out there in the YouTube land. Today, we're taking a look at XRP. Take a look at CoinMarketCap real quick. We'll jump into the charts. Guys, all links down in the video description. Appreciate if you use them. It does help support the channel. XRP sitting at number 5. Looks like we're currently at just about 0.7047 cents. Looks like the last 7 days we're down 2%. 24 we're down 1 hour we're down 0.05%. We are not on the trending list. We are sitting at number 5 here on the list. The market is basically sideways and has been for just about a week, if not longer. Let's head over to the charts. Fear and greed is sitting at 52, just about neutral there. Over here to tradingview.com, XRP USD Bitstamp is the data here. This will be a daily chart. Take a look at a couple levels. Also going to share a end of the year price prediction to the upside for XRP as well as Bitcoin, guys. So if you have been living under a rock, you might have missed this massive move to the upside that XRP took on the, trying to find my correct tool once again, on the settlement from a Judge Torres that XRP is not a security. So that was a very nice ruling. We'll see if it gets appealed. Closed up 73.24%. Big day. Excuse me. Big breakout past 55, 56 resistance. We spoke about that in the past, that if XRP gets back up to that 55, 56 level, watch out because it could make a huge move. Breaking out, that is, to the upside. And sure enough, we did. Came on a news event. So far, though, that was a great example of buy the rumor, sell the news. Why do I say that? Well, the rumor of settlement coming soon was announced all through in here. So all through June, we had, settlement coming soon, settlement coming within months, not years. Give me 1 second while I drink some coffee here. So, looking back, hindsight, you could have bought that rumor of settlement coming, right? Down here in the, call it 50-cent mark. The news came out. Market hit all the way up to 94 cents. You bought the rumor of settlement. You sold the news of settlement. You would have sold so far the top of this move. The price has done nothing basically but head lower since then. Now, I'm not saying the price is not going back up, but it's just a good old example of buy the rumor, sell the news, and you would have done very, very well. And I'm sure some people have done that. XRP has broken some very important levels to the downside, although we have not seen any continuation of the downside action after breaking those levels. We also have not been going up. We've been going sideways. Things are looking a little heavy here. It's a little bit of a concern, but we're going to jump into that. So we had a pretty decent sell-off on this day right here. This was the 25th of July. So far, XRP 3 times now, including yesterday, we have found support at 68,260. One of my price levels here in yellow. 68,260 was support on the 24th of July, the 25th of July, as well as yesterday's pretty wild volatility move throughout the day, and the 30th of July. So we found support there yesterday. Let me show you that on a zoomed in, a smaller time frame. You can see we had a very nice pump to the upside in the morning, and of course, just to get faded. And then they pulled the plug right here and we just about hit 68,260. Doesn't look like the market's going to go higher today either. And you can see over in here is more support at 68,260. So there's a reason why I have these levels on my chart, because they keep me in the loop of where the price may go to the downside and to the upside. Here's 68,260 finding support. So what does that mean? That also means 69,374 could be support if we get down there today. We will see. Let's go back to let's get off the 3-minute, head back into the daily, and share a couple things here. So far, that is a very key level to hold. Don't mind me as I zoom in here. 68,260 is a very key level to hold. If that breaks, there's a good chance we will be testing this low right here, which was 66,735. That was put in on the 14th of July. If that breaks, we have many levels that we could potentially stop at. There's no guarantee though, but I do have them and keep them on my chart. But if that breaks, we could blow through all of these levels to the downside and maybe backtest that 55 to 56 cent breakout zone. So we'll have to see what happens here, guys. Just keep that as a possibility. You know, you don't want to ignore anything potentially bearish. And it's not extremely bearish. It'd be pretty normal to see a back test. But just keep that in mind. But so far, we have nice support. We have higher lows. We need to see the price start to move to the upside. And if not, the odds start to favor another leg lower. So every day that goes by that we basically trade sideways and start to fade down, we could see one of these quick drops to the downside, you know, and then maybe that does get a higher close. But I think a potential washout move could be coming here for XRP, unfortunately. But hey, give you an opportunity to buy a little more. So the reason why I say that is the more that we trade sideways and don't go anywhere, if not fade lower, we could see a quick washout move to the downside. Let's say markets move higher from here. 82,485 is resistance. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4 big candles. The 13th, the 14th, the 19th, and 20th of July. All of them could not get a close above that 82,485. So keep that on your radar if the price and when the price does start to move. It needs to break above that. Above that is 86, and then we have our big target up there at 94,770. Let's go to Bitcoin real quick. Then we'll come back to XRP for an end of the year upside target. So here is a chart of Bitcoin and similar looking price action as XRP. So we're doing this wedge here, which is a thing of concern. Potentially a rising wedge that could result in a move like this. And there's a good chance that if it takes out the lows of this wedge, we're heading down to 28,249. And that might be the catalyst that allows XRP to drop like we just spoke about. 28,249 would be that blue line on the chart for Bitcoin. So maybe that happens and then the rally continues. You know, we have let me get the right tool here. We have a 1, 2, 3, 4. Maybe we get a fifth leg down here into that 28,249. So for end of the year Bitcoin price target. So I used some volatility metrics and did some averaging. I could not find a December options chain, a December expiration. So I had to do some different volatility stuff and then did an average. But anyway, what I came up with was a 38,601.89 Bitcoin for the end of the year. And if the thing starts to rally, that could easily be hit. It's really not that much higher. We've seen Bitcoin make huge moves in a single day. But, time does go on and, maybe we don't get up there. But that's what I came up with using volatility anyways as a metric. 38,601.89. That would put Bitcoin currently, from where we're currently at, up about another 31% higher from where we are at, guys. We're trading at 29 and 38,601 for a end of year 2023 price prediction to the upside. That would take us right up into this old consolidation back here in 2022. So it would be very normal to see the price up in there. But we'll see. If this market breaks to the upside like the stock market, not a problem. We'll hit 38 with ease. So we could basically call it crash to the upside, and we just break out past this 31,573 level, which is where resistance at now, and we just take off like a rocket. So 34,293 is my next target once we get above 31,573, and then my end of year 38,601 for Bitcoin. Hopefully it goes much higher than that, but I use some volatility, so there's a little bit of weight there. Let's head back to XRP. We'll talk about a couple more things, give you my end of year price prediction. So if Bitcoin does start to move back to the upside and we start to break a couple of those key levels, maybe putting in some new major or some new recent highs, that should carry some weight for over into XRP. We should get above all of these levels. We should definitely be back above our 94,770 resistance. But my end of year XRP price prediction, and keep in mind, I had to do some comparison, and it's not apples to apples. I couldn't find anyways. If it's out there, let me know. I don't know if there's options on XRP anywhere, or if there's options chains on XRP. If there is, I could have used the volatility over there to give me a price prediction for the end of the year, but there wasn't. So I had to take Bitcoin's volatility and then carry that over and basically break some math down. I came up with a $1.64 by the end of the year. If Bitcoin makes that move, XRP, I would think easily would at least hit $1.64, but that's what I came up with here. And it's probably low, but I would rather not be, have a crazy price target and then us not hit it. I'd rather undershoot and be wrong than overshoot and be wrong. $1.64 I came up with. And there's also one more thing I want to show you about that. That $1.64 has been a target in the past. This move right here, back in 2021 in April, look where resistance came in. 164, right in there. And I also want to show you one more thing. So that would put the price up from where we are currently trading at, which is just about 70 cents. We'll call it right there. 70 cents. That puts the price up about 130% from where we are currently at. Not bad for the next couple months here if we get up there. And then also one more thing, guys, before we wrap this video up. Guys, if you have not yet hit that thumbs up and subscribed, go ahead and do so. I appreciate it. It does help the channel. We'll take the swing high here. That is the wrong tool. take this swing high here. Trying to get the fib retracements. Swing high here. And we'll take that swing low. And then I want to show you that. I think that was the correct error. Correct. So the 2618 based on this swing high, which would be the 13th of July, and then the swing low of the 25th of July. So using that high, that low with these fib numbers, our 2618 fib number. So we have our one, we have our breakout, we have our 1618 fib at $1.16. Then we have our 2618 Fibonacci up there at where, guys? $1.63. My level's $1.64. The fibs are right there. So I think that level is going to carry some weight when the price gets up there. And hey, if we closed up there at $1.64, $1.63 by the end of the year and made another 130% move in the next few months, I would be very happy with that. Would I be happier with a $10 XRP? Well, of course. But I would also be happier not seeing XRP back down there in 30 cents, and I'd much rather see it up at $1 plus $1.64. So there's my year ending XRP price target, $1.64. Hey, I hope we get up there. We'll have to see. We have a lot of hurdles to jump across before that takes place, all in here. 82, 86, 94, 96, 109, 121, etc. 164. I don't know, but let's get up there, guys. Welcome to the channel. Once again, guys, thanks for watching. Go ahead and share this content. Twitter, whatever you got to do to spread the XRP word. And once again, you guys have a great day. Thank you.